Hello, plant enthusiasts! Today, we're going to delve into the world of easy-to-care-for indoor plants, perfect for beginners. Indoor plants, they're not just for decor, they're little oxygen factories that improve our air quality and consequently, our health. They add a touch of nature to our living spaces, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and peace. But for those of us who are just dipping our toes into the world of gardening, taking care of plants can seem a bit daunting. That's where easy-to-care-for indoor plants come in. They're forgiving, resilient, and perfect for beginners. They allow you to enjoy the benefits of indoor gardening without the constant worry of plant care. Plus, they're an excellent way to build confidence as you embark on your plant parenting journey. So, are you ready to discover the top 10 easy-to-care-for indoor plants for beginners? Let's get started! First on our list is the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This sturdy plant thrives even in low light and requires minimal watering, making it perfect for the forgetful gardener. But that's not all. The snake plant is also a natural air purifier, removing toxins from the air and providing a breath of fresh air in your home. So, for those seeking a tough yet stylish indoor plant, the snake plant might just be for you. Next up, we have the spider plant, a fan favorite for its unique appearance. This resilient greenery is known for its adaptability, thriving in various conditions, from bright sunlight to low-light areas. But that's not all. The spider plant is also a generous parent, regularly producing baby spider plants, also known as spiderettes. These can be easily propagated, making your indoor garden grow in no time. The spider plant is a great choice for those who want a plant that's as prolific as it is easy to care for. Our third plant in the lineup is the pothos, known for its beautiful heart-shaped leaves. This resilient plant is an excellent choice for beginners, as it requires low light and minimal watering to thrive. The pothos is not just easy to care for, but it's also a fast grower, rapidly extending its vine-like tendrils to create a lush green display. So if you're looking for a plant that's low maintenance yet quick to fill your space with verdant beauty, the pothos is perfect for those who want a plant that's both easy to care for and quick to grow. Coming in at number 4 is the ZZ plant, a real stunner with its glossy foliage. This plant doesn't just look good, it also has a strong survival instinct. Known for its drought tolerance, the ZZ plant can go weeks without water and still look fresh. Moreover, it thrives even in low-light conditions. So if your apartment doesn't get a lot of sunlight, no worries. The ZZ plant will still flourish. The ZZ plant is ideal for those who want a plant that's both attractive and low maintenance. At number 5, we have the peace lily, a plant that's as peaceful as its name suggests. This charming indoor plant thrives in low light, making it perfect for those less sunny spots in your home. It doesn't demand much water either, just make sure not to let it dry out completely. The real showstopper is its elegant white flowers, adding a serene touch to any room. The peace lily is a fantastic choice for those seeking a plant that's easy to care for and produces lovely flowers. Next up, we have aloe vera, a plant that's as useful as it is easy to care for. This green gem thrives on neglect, only needing water once every 2 to 3 weeks. But it's not just a pretty face. Aloe vera gel, extracted from the plant's leaves, is a household remedy for minor burns and skin irritations. Also, it's a source of vitamins and antioxidants. Aloe vera is a great plant for those who want a plant that's both easy to care for and has practical uses. Our 8th plant is the rubber plant, known for its large, glossy leaves. This resilient plant thrives even in low-light conditions, making it a perfect fit for those corners of your home that don't get much sunlight. But what makes the rubber plant truly remarkable is its air-purifying qualities. It's been found to effectively remove toxins from indoor air. So not only does it add a touch of green to your interior, it also keeps the air clean. The rubber plant is a wonderful choice for those wanting a plant that's easy to care for and improves air quality. Next on our list is the jade plant, a popular succulent known for its thick, fleshy leaves. This sturdy plant is a real champion when it comes to longevity. In fact, with proper care, it can live for a whopping 100 years. Best part? It's a low-maintenance plant. It doesn't need much water, and it's quite forgiving if you forget to water it once in a while. The jade plant is perfect for those who want a plant that's easy to care for and can live for many years. At number 10, we have English ivy, a classic plant with a timeless appeal. Known for its lush, trailing foliage, English ivy is a versatile plant that can thrive in low-light conditions. But that's not all. English ivy also ranks high in NASA's list of air-purifying plants, making it a great addition to any indoor space. It's easy to maintain, requiring just a little attention to watering and light. English ivy is a great choice for those seeking a plant that's easy to care for and has a traditional charm. And there you have it, the top 10 easy-to-care-for indoor plants for beginners. From the strong and resilient snake plant to the adaptable and forgiving pothos, we've explored a variety of green companions that are perfect for those just starting their indoor gardening journey. Remember the ZZ plant, a great option for those places with low light conditions, or the peace lily, which not only beautifies your space but also purifies your air. And let's not forget about the aloe vera and its countless health benefits. Each plant we've discussed today offers unique benefits, and yet they all share something in common. They're beginner-friendly and require minimal care. Whether you're a busy professional, a forgetful waterer, or just a plant-loving individual with too many responsibilities, these plants are perfect for you. Now it's over to you. Which of these plants are your favorites? Do you have any other easy-to-care plants to add to our list? Let us know in the comments below.